In this video, I'll show you how we can change the font size in your Microsoft Project program. Why would we do this? The default font size in Project may not be the best option for you, depending on the size of your monitor and what you find comfortable to read. We found that on most desktop monitors, the default font size of 12 or 14 causes the text in the task view to take up a lot of valuable screen space unnecessarily. Reducing this may enable you to gain some screen space whilst keeping the information contained within the task view clearly visible. Right now, you can see 28 tasks in the task view, but we can raise this number. Alternatively, you may be using a smaller laptop screen where it may be preferable to increase the size of the text instead. Okay, so to change the size of the font, we navigate to the Format tab and then we click into the Text Styles option under the Format group here. This then brings up the dialog box from which you can then change the look of multiple aspects of the text. We've got a number of options here in addition to changing the font size. First of all, you can change which areas of text you want to apply changes to by selecting from the options in this drop-down. The actual changes we can make to the appearance of the text include changing the font type, its colour, the font style to make it bold or italic, underlining, strike-throughs, and the ability to apply a background colour and pattern to whatever area of text we're looking to change. For now, we just want to change the font size. You can select a size or type a size in yourself. The default text size in Project in many cases is size 12 or in some cases a size 14. If you're working on a standard 1080p monitor, we recommend a size 8 font as this gives a good balance between readability and extra screen space. Try playing around with this to see what suits you and your monitor setup the best. With the new font size set, we then click OK. Straight away you can see how the text is now much smaller, which in turn takes up less of the screen and enables you to see much more of the Gantt chart. You can also fit more task rows into the task view at any one time. A font size of 8 increases the number of visible task rows to 42 as opposed to the 28 we could see before at a font size of 12. As mentioned earlier, you may find it preferable to increase the text size from default, which we find is most often true if you're working from a laptop. To raise the default font size, just go back to the Text Styles option in the Format group under the Format tab and select a larger font as needed. Then click OK again to make the changes. That's it for this one. Send us any queries to justask@menlo-academy.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope this video was helpful and see you in the next one.